Hey y'all, this is Yadi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this easy wearable Valentine's Day date night look. I'm going to be doing this look in collaboration with Miss Imani E. Please also head to her page and check out her wearable easy Valentine's Day date night look. Love her content. As usual, please like, comment, and subscribe. And follow me on my other socials, That Girl Yadi on Instagram, That Girl Yadi on TikTok, and let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is go in with my glow serum. This is my Yummy Skin Glow Serum from Danessa Myricks. That's just going to give me some moisture and a little bit of a glow underneath my foundation. After that, I'm going to prep my brows with this e.l.f. brow lift. That's just going to lay my brows down and make it easier for me to shape them. And I'm just shaping them using a spoolie from one of my brow pencils. After I lay them down and I shape them, I go in and fill them in with a brow pencil. This is the Benefit Brow Pencil. And I'm just filling them in. That's it. Now, this is where the magic happens. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Quickie Concealer, and I'm just going to clean them up and shape them. Now for foundation, I'm going in with the new Maybelline Lumi-Matte Foundation, and I've been loving this foundation. I have a full review coming up. I think I'm going to post it as a short or on TikTok and Instagram. But y'all, look at that shade match. Oh, beautiful. And I love the finish. But now I'm going in with another one of my Quickie Concealers to start to conceal under my eye. You guys know how I do this. I go in with a concealer that's pretty close to my shade on the outside, then come in with something lighter. Y'all can see what I'm doing because it's just a lot. I do a lot. I'm always switching up my techniques, but the reason why I like to do my concealer this way is because I get the coverage that I need for my hyperpigmentation, but I also get to brighten and focus the lighter colors in the center of my face, kind of using a gradient. So the lighter color in the center of my face and the darker colors towards the perimeter. And I just feel like it looks better that way. I think I use a little bit too much of that light concealer. I'll be honest, y'all. Like, whoa. But we gonna roll with it. I'm gonna set it with the Maybelline Fit Me powder in 330. I'm just going in and then I'm gonna tap some off because I want it to be smooth when I go underneath my eyes. I'm so creasy, so I have to blend out my concealer and then go in right away and set it, or I'm gonna crease all over the place. But now that we got the under eye taken care of, we're going to blend out the rest of the concealer. And then I'm going to go in with this Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Contour. Yeah, that's a little dark. I did not expect it to be that dark, but we going to work with it. We make it work all the time. So being that I went a little heavy with the concealer, I'm going to go in a little heavier than I usually do with my contour just to bring back some dimension. I'm going in with this TikTok Shop brush. Yes, it's a Do Care brush. I bought it like a year and a half ago. It is so good. Yes, for TikTok Shop. Over here, I'm just going in with whatever product is left on the brush just to contour my nose a little bit. And now I'm going in with this sun blush from IT Cosmetics. I got this in PR. I absolutely love this. I don't think I would have picked it up if I didn't get it in PR. Love it. So here I am going in with the Revolution Glow Bronzer in the shade Dark. I have two of these bronzers, one in deep and one in dark. Dark is the lighter shade. And now I'm going to take the same brush that I used to blend out my concealer, and I'm just going to go underneath the contour and the bronzer on my face to kind of chisel my face a little bit. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. I'm going to line my eyes. I need a small mirror to do this. I still struggle with lining my eyes, especially wing liner. So I'm just going to try and take my time. What I usually like to do is go in with a very thin line at first, and then if I have to go back in and make the line thicker, then I can do that. Now I'm tight lining with the Urban Decay 24/7 eye pencil, and now I'm going in with the Danessa Myricks Primary Red Color Fix, and I'm just going to go above that liner that I just did, just to give a little, you know, it's Valentine's Day, y'all, like give a little color, a little something. Now I'm going in with the YSL Beauty Lash Class Mascara. Got that in PR as well, but it's a good mascara, not gonna hold y'all. Then we're gonna go in with these Eyelure Strip Lashes. I like them. They're very affordable as well. And I'm using the mirror for my bronzer compact because I need a small mirror to really get in there and see what I'm doing. Now what I'm going to do now is go back in with that primary red from Danessa Myricks and just go back over that liner that I did right above my lash line. And I'm going to take it down on the outer portion of my lower lash line as well, just to kind of give it a little bit more of a pop. And now we're gonna bake with the translucent powder from one side. I'm just gonna go underneath my eyes, just try to clean it up and really lock in that concealer at the same time and brighten. I'm also gonna take it underneath my blush and my contour. And then we're gonna take this kabuki brush and just dust everything off. I think I got this brush from TJ Maxx. I don't know the brand. I'm sorry. Now we're gonna bring everything together and set with this Micro Smooth from Sephora in Sienna. Just take everything, you know, bring everything together. And then we're gonna go with the deeper bronzer in Deep and just contour the bridge of my nose a little bit more. And now I'm gonna go in with HBIC from Fenty. Yeah, we're doing a red lip today. I know everybody loves MVP. MVP is nice. It's more of a blue tone. This is more scarlet, and I really, really like this one. That's what I usually go for if I'm gonna do a red. And now I'm just taking whatever powder's left over on the puff, and I'm just setting my blush. And that's that. That's the finished look. This is the look. Let me know how you guys like it. To me, this is an easy look. I know that there's a lot of little steps involved. That's just how I do my makeup. That's how I get my makeup the way that I want to. There's a lot of little things involved. I feel like this look does not require a lot of skill. It's really simple things that I did, like, you know, a little bit of a wing liner. You don't have to be the best at wing liner to do this. I'm not the best at wing liner. I always mess up and have to end up going back. So just some wing liner, and then I went over it with a little bit of some red, and I took it down into my bottom lash line, light lined, did my face, highlight, contour, blush, you know, the regular, and then just a red lip, and that was it. Let me know how you like the look. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.